Are you ready to check out a gem of an RV resort? Let's take a trip to Georgetown, Florida, and check out the Port Cove RV Resort Marina off the St. Johns River. I recently visited Florida in February when the weather is at its finest. Temperatures were in the 70s, and the tall palm trees and Spanish moss were swaying in the gentle breeze. As I entered the RV resort, I quickly noticed how dog-friendly they are. They offer an off-leash dog park for your pup to get some extra exercise while visiting. As with most dog parks, the rules are important so that everyone can have a safe and wonderful time. They have places to sit down and let you enjoy your day while your dog sniffs and runs around off-leash. They had just completed a fun doggy get-together, and the staff was handing out free dog treats to all the pups at the park. My dog was super excited and loved her treat. I then continued to drive to the office and check in for my stay. After my check-in, I figured it was a great time to take a walk and see what all Port Cove RV Resort has to offer on the grounds. They had a putt-putt golf course behind the office, which was a great idea for family fun. However, my sights were more interested in the different RV lots and making my way down to see the riverfront views. The RV resort is connected by a concrete drive that takes you from the office to the swimming pool and then all the way down to the marina. The first thing that I noticed about the RV sites was that they were all looking pretty level and had fresh, large rock poured throughout the campground. This was a big thing, as one of my personal pet peeves was camping in Florida and trying to keep the sand out of the RV. Each site had a nice green space with a dedicated picnic table and space to sit outside and relax. As February is a very popular time to RV in Florida, I noticed that many people had commented to me that they were making plans to be there for at least a month or two, and even making reservations to be there next year. That's a true testament to hospitality to come back year after year. When I got to the bathhouse, laundry, and pool area, I noticed how inviting and colorful it was. The laundry room offered 2 washers and 2 dryers for your convenience. I can only speak for the women's restroom, but they were clean, and I took showers in them with awesome water pressure. The pool area was a great place to hang out and meet other campers. Everyone was super friendly, and they told me about places to check out in the area, places to go eat, and invited me to even go karaoke with them later that night. After my visit at the pool, I wandered down to the marina and watched boats coming in from the day, exploring the great St. Johns River. Apparently, you can bring your boat and rent out a slip per day or week at the marina. So for all my RV boating friends, this is the best of both worlds. I was also reminded of the amazing wildlife, such as the manatees that make appearances when the water is warm. To cap off my day at the campground, I then went back to the waterfront to watch the sunset. You have plenty of options for watching the sunset at Port Cove RV Resort, but my favorite is either at the end of the marina or right along the shoreline, as there's swings and chairs and a fireplace right by the water, so you can relax and enjoy watching a perfect sunset while even making a s'more. If you're looking for a fun, family-friendly campground on the quiet side of Florida, but with still lots of places to explore, I know that I'll be making my reservation to go back next year. Hope to see you there.